What's up everyone, this is Keith with the Cyber and EU team. Today we're going to briefly discuss and unbox the Canon PowerShot G7 Mark II SLR camera. It's one of the more popular cameras for video logging. It's one of the reasons I chose to purchase it for myself. It's capable of 20.1 megapixel images and it currently retails for about $650 to $700. It was released in February of 2016. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what this thing looks like. Alright. We are about to unbox this Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Here's the box. Go ahead and pop this thing open. Alright, so we've got some registration paperwork. We've got the Canon PowerShot G7X manual. Very useful, ton of features to read, I'm sure. So we'll go ahead and set that off to the side and read that later. Alright. Here is the camera, wrapped nicely in this styrofoam thing. Here it is. It's got a 4.2x zoom capability. This is the rubberized grip, and it weighs about 11.2 ounces. It's very light, fits in your pocket. And then it's got two harness structures on the side so you can loop through a wrist carrier, or if you get the thinner neck carriers, you can do that too. Alright, so on the side here, you've got Wi-Fi capability. It also supports NFC, near field communication. So there's actually a Camera Connect app that you can connect this camera to, and if your phone is within, I believe, 4 centimeters, you can instantly transmit media. Alright, if you hit this this button here where the flash is, the flash mechanism pops up. You go ahead and just push that back down. What else we got here? Take a look at the LCD display. Here are the functional buttons, which we will discuss in a later video when we actually get to using this and give a more thorough, in-depth review. But I just want to show you guys what it looks like. What makes this one of the most popular vlog cameras is the fact that this LCD display pops up. And it's very good for being able to watch yourself and determine if you're in the center of the camera and positioned nicely, like I said, for vlogging and a variety of other self-videoing functions. Go ahead and pop that back down. Alright, so there's the tripod Alright, so there's the tripod socket. Goes in there. And here you have the memory card slot and the battery slot. You put that in there. And lock that back. You look at the side, there's the Wi-Fi button. Alright, so here we have an HDMI and USB slot. There you go. I think that's a mini HDMI and USB. Yeah, and we'll give you a peek at the top here. Variety of awesome functions, definite upgrades from the Mark I. And again, we will go over that in a later video. Alright, let's see what else we got here. I'll put this camera down. Alright, so here is the battery charger. Goes directly into an outlet. And then we have, what what is this? A 3.6 volt battery. Slides right in. Charge it. I'm not entirely sure how long it takes to fully charge this 3.6 volt battery, but I'll go ahead and leave that in the comments once I figure that out. Alright. Alright, and here's the wrist strap. Very thin. So you would just loop that into one of the side harnesses here. Go right on through. Easy portable carrying option. One thing to mention is the memory card is not included, so I highly suggest for this XLR camera to purchase one of these Extreme Plus SanDiscs, these SDs. They're actually for, like the packaging says, fast transfers and 4K Ultra HD, and especially if you're doing some action shoots, it's definitely worth the getting. Makes those read-write speeds very, very fast. Let's set that there. And there you have it, guys. That is all that came in this box for the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, minus the memory card. Again, you have to purchase that separately. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take this outside, give you guys a sample picture and a video of the default settings, and show you what it looks like. So we just did a quick unboxing of the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera. We also provide you guys with a sample photo and video of my celebrity dog Louie. Stay tuned for a future video as we go through the many features of this camera. For now, I want to say thank you for watching, and if you aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, Cyber and You, please do so. See you next time.